Have you ever sat back and thought to yourself, I wish HubSpot campaigns were just a little bit better? All right, well then let's talk about this Smarter Campaigns Goal Experience Update HubSpot just released, because honestly, this is a game changer for anyone who's serious about running campaigns that actually deliver results. If you've ever felt like setting and tracking campaign goals in HubSpot was a little clunky or disconnected, buckle up, because this update is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Hey, you know what time it is. That's right, it's time to break it down step by step so you can see what's new, why it matters, and how to make the most of it. Here's the deal. HubSpot has introduced the Campaign Goals Tracker, a redesigned and way more sophisticated way to set, manage, and report on your campaign goals. Now, if you've been using campaigns for a while, you know that goals have always been a bit, limited. You could set some basic targets like sessions, new contacts, or influence contacts, but the process lacked flexibility, guidance, and integration with your reporting. It was like trying to run a marathon without a map. You could move forward, but it wasn't always clear if you were heading in the right direction, and that's not good. So why does this update matter? Because campaigns live and die by their goals. Without clear strategic goals, you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. And let's be real, hope is not a marketing and sales strategy. So this update changes the game by giving you a smarter, more intuitive framework for defining, monitoring, and reporting. Defining, monitoring, and reporting on your goals. It's not just about setting targets, it's about building campaigns that are purpose-driven, measurable, and most importantly, successful. So you might be wondering, as a HubSpot user, how the heck does it work? Well, let me walk you through it. When you're on the campaign's performance page, you'll now see an option to set campaign goal. You'll click on add goals and you'll be guided through a super simple 3-step process. Super simple 3 steps for better campaign goals. Choose a campaign goal. HubSpot now offers over 10 default campaign goals to choose from. Whether you're looking to generate leads, reduce the cost per contact, drive website traffic, or increase revenue, there's a goal that fits your strategy. And if you're not sure where to start, these options can serve as inspiration to help you define what success looks like in your organization for your campaigns. And goal details, this is where you name your goal and set the reporting frequency. Want to track progress weekly? Maybe even monthly. You've got the flexibility to choose what works best for your team. Next, you want to remember to define your goal targets. Set specific measurable targets so you can easily evaluate when you've hit your goals. Whether it's a certain number of leads, a percentage increase in traffic, or a revenue milestone, this step ensures your goals are actionable and trackable. Once your goals are set up, you'll find tailored campaign goal reports in the Performance tab. These reports give you a clear, quick view of your progress and performance over time. And here's the best part. You can edit or delete your goals directly from this tab, so you're never locked into something that just isn't working. Now, let's talk about what this means for you as a HubSpot user. First and foremost, this update is about empowering you to run smarter, more effective campaigns. By integrating goal setting into the campaign reporting experience, HubSpot is making it easier than ever to stay focused, aligned, and on track. No more guessing, no more disconnected data, just clear, actionable insights that help you make better decisions and drive better results. But there's more to think about here, so let's stop, take a moment, and think. Listen, this update is also a great opportunity to revisit your overall campaign strategy. Are you setting goals that align with your broader marketing objectives? Are you tracking the right metrics to measure success? And are you using the insights from your campaigns to refine and improve your approach over time? You see, these are the kinds of questions that can help you take your campaigns to the next level. Finally, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture here as HubSpot users. This update is part of HubSpot's ongoing mission to make its tools more intuitive, more integrated, and more impactful. By improving the campaigns tool, HubSpot is helping you not just run campaigns, but run campaigns that actually matter. So take some time to explore the new campaign goals tracker, experiment with different goals, and see how this update can enhance your marketing and, dare I say, sales efforts. Have you seen all the changes in campaigns? Anyway, so as we land the plane, I have to ask, what's one campaign goal you've been struggling to track effectively? Let's use this update to nail it down and make it happen. I believe in you. You got this. And as always, as you go out and crush your new campaigns and optimize your historical ones, remember to be a happy, helpful, humble human and do some happy HubSpotting along the way.